Did you know you can send a photo or video on WhatsApp that disappears forever after it's viewed just once? So, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can do this quickly and easily. So, let's get started. Now, first open your WhatsApp and go to the contact chat whom you want to send a view one photo. Now, tap the camera icon and select photo which you want to send. On the preview screen, look for the eye icon inside the circle right above send button. Tap on this icon and now tap on send button, and that's it. Now this photo will only be viewed only one time, and after that it will disappear automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe for more WhatsApp tech tutorials.